Okay, hi students. So today, yesterday on 18th November 2025, we conducted the grand test. So today I am going to explain you mathematics. So check your answers and I'll clarify your doubts. So please watch the video until the end. Okay, let's see the first question. So arrange the numbers in ascending order. See, he given four, one, two, three, four numbers. So you have to arrange in ascending order. So see, ascending order means what is meant by ascending order? Small to big. What is meant by descending order? Big to small. So he asked here ascending order. So we have to arrange the numbers in small to big. So first number is 3942. Next number 4293. Next 2892. Next 8232. So which is the smallest number? See, for that you have to check uh, check the first digit 3428. By this we can know we can arrange the numbers in ascending order. So we don't want to go check the other numbers, right? So first, which is the smallest? 2. It is starting from 2. So this is the smallest number. In option B, clearly we can see here. See, in option A, starting number is 4. So it is not the answer. Next, option C, 3. Option D, 8. So option D, starting from 2892 is less than 3942 is less than 4293 is less than 8232. If we ask in descending order means reverse order. So next question. Write the smallest 5-digit number using digits 9708. So by using these digits, we have to arrange the number in 5-digit, smallest 5-digit number. So what is the smallest 5-digit number? See, we have to check the which is the smallest number. Here 0. So if we keep 0 here, then it will become, if we keep 0 first, then it will become 4-digit number because in the left side 0 has no value. So we should not keep 0 here. Next smallest number 7. So first 7, next 0, next actually 4 is also there. Sorry. Okay. 9 7 given number is 9 comma 7 0 and 5 comma 4. Which is the smallest number? We asked for here smallest 5-digit number. So we have to check the smallest number. So which is the smallest here? 0. 0 is the smallest. So we should not keep 0 because if we keep starting from 0, it will become 4-digit number. But he has asked for here 3-digit number. So in left side 0 has no value. So next smallest number 4 starting from 4. Next 4. Next number 0. Next 7. Next 8. Next 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So smallest 5-digit number is 4789. Which option? 4789. Next, find the value of 3 2 by 7 divided by 4 2 by 7 divided by 7 by 30. If given the mixed fraction, you have to convert into improper fraction and also you have to convert into improper fraction. Then solve this equation. Now let's get this. Let's then solve the question. Whiteboard, whiteboard, whiteboard. No. This one, pencil. క్వశ్చన్ ఒకసారి రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా. See, what is has given 3 2 by 7 can be written as 7 3 3 2 by 7 can be written as 7 into 3 21 21 plus 2 23. 7 3 is 21 21 plus 2 23. First 23 by 7 divided by next 7 4 is 28 28 plus 2 30 30 by 7 plus 7 by 30. So according to the board master, we have to solve the first division. No. See, 23 by 7 divided by 30 by 7. When you are when it is in division form, so the peak is to 23 by 7 into this fraction will be reciprocal. Always when the fraction will be in division form, when you are solving this fraction, then the fraction will be in reciprocal form, like 7 by 30. 7 by 30 plus 7 by 30. So 7 get cancelled. So remaining what? 23 by remaining 23 by 30 plus 7 by 30. How much? LCM, see, denominators are same. So LCM is also same. So 30. You have to add the numerator. 23 plus 7. How much? 30 by 7. 30. So 30 get cancelled. Answer is 1. So what is the option? 1. Option B. Next. Find the question of, we have to find the question. He given 225 divided by 0.15. We have to find the question. So we can write as 2, we can write 225 divided by means we can write just 0.15. So in previous section, in previous class, I have said you that when the denominator is in decimal form, so you have to keep the number of digits. You have to choose how many digits are there. So after decimal, there are 2 digits. So for removing the decimal in denominator, you have to keep the zeros in numerator. So the decimal will be removed. So after decimal, how many digits are there? There are 1, 2 digits. So for removing this decimal, we can write 225 into 100. Because by 100, after decimal, there are 2 digits. So 2 zeros by 15. Right. 15 ones are 15, 15s are. Because 15 square is 225. So 15 15s are 225. So putting out 15 into 100. How much? 1500. This is the answer. So what is the answer? Option A. See, after why I am keeping here 100, because see in denominator it is in decimal value. So after decimal there are 2 digits. So for removing these 2 digits, you have to keep the numerator into 100, because 0.15 225 can be written as 225 by 15 by 100. So when we will convert this, then will become 225 by 15 into 100. Same. So 15 is 225. So 15 into 100, 1500. Next. 5 question is 1500. Next. Find the value of Roman numerals. So given the Roman numerals, you have to convert into numerals and find the value. So what is he given, like x v I plus I v upon v I plus I v. So x v means 15. 15 plus 1 16. So this value is 16. 16 plus v. Left side is I is there. So we have to subtract 1. So 5 minus 1 4. 16 plus 4 how much? 20. Next. V. I is in right side. So V means 5, I means 1. So 5 plus 1 6 plus I means 1. It is in left side. So V is 5. So 5 minus 1 4. How much? 20 by 10. 2. 2 is the answer. So which option? Option B. Next. LCM of LCM of LCM of two numbers is 60 and the HCF is 6. If one number is 30, then find the other number. You know the formula. The product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Here he given LCM of two numbers is 60. Okay, he given the LCM and he given the HCF and he given one number. So we have to find another number. We know the formula. What is the formula? Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So product of two numbers. We don't know the other number. So I am taking one number is X. So X into why I am taking X? X is unknown number. We have to find that number. So X into another one number is 20. So product of these two numbers is equal to LCM. What is LCM? 60. LCM into HCF. What is HCF? 6. So we have to solve. So in LH we want only X. So move this term to RHS. Then it is in multiplication form. It is in multiplication form in LHS. When we move to RHS, it will become in decimal form. So X is equal to how much? 60 into 6 by 30. So 31 is 32 is. So how much X is equal to? 4 into 6. X is equal to how much? 12. So what is the other number? 12. So option C is the correct answer. Next, area of a square field is 576 meter square. Find the perimeter of a square. So he given one figure that is square and he given the area of a square. So and he asked here perimeter of a square. This why we have to find what is the perimeter of a square formula. Perimeter of a square is nothing but you have to add the boundary of the line. So this is the square. So A. So what is mean by perimeter here? You have to add all the boundary lines. So how many boundaries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 4A. A plus A plus A plus A. How much? 4A. So how can you find A here? To find A, he given one clue here. He given the inside area part. So inside part is known as area and outside part is known as perimeter. So he asking perimeter while doing inside area. From this we can find side of a square. So a square has equal sides. So area of a square is nothing but side into side. From this we can find what is the side of a square. So A into A is equal to 576. What is mean by A into A? Because area of a square is nothing but A square. A square can be written as A into A. So A square is equal to 576. A square is equal to 576. Next, A is equal to how much? Under root of 576. So under root of 576 is nothing but 24 square. So A is equal to how much? 24. Under root of 576. 24 into 24 how much? 576. So we get the side of a square. Now we have to find the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square means sum of all sides. So area has square has all sides are equal. So A plus A, 24 plus 24, 24 plus 24, 48, 24, 72, 72 plus 4, 24, 26. So answer is 96 meters. Or you can directly calculate by the formula. Perimeter of a square is nothing but 4 into A. We got A. A is how much? 24. 4 into 24. How much? 96 meter. Next, which of the following can be angles of a triangle? So, to be angle in a triangle, sum of angles should be always 180 degrees. So we have to check. We have to add the options. We go through the option and check which option has 180 degrees. So 75 plus 29 how much? See, 80 plus 29 109. 109 plus 75. It's not because 9 plus 5 14. We want unit digit is 0. So it is the wrong answer. Next, 70. 70 plus 30, 100. 100 plus 60, 160. So we want 180 degrees. So option B also eliminated. Option C, 48 plus 72, 8 plus 2, 10, 10. 1 carry 8 plus 4, 12. So 120. 120 plus 100, this is 220. But we want 180. So option C is eliminated. So remaining option is option D. So 79. 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 9, 10. So unit digit is 0. So 180. So what is the option? Option D is the right answer. Angles of a triangle means sum of angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So option D is the answer. Next. For constructing a house, a man purchased a plot of 3,600 square plot. See, you know the concept, but you don't know how to read the question and how to understand the question. That's the mistake you are most of the students are doing. So observe how I am reading the question and how I am understanding the question. See, for constructing a house, a man purchased a plot of 3,600 square feet. See, there is a plot that is in the form of square, right? What is the area of that square? 3,600. Next, it is 500 per square feet. See, 1 square feet cost how much? 500 rupees. So what is the total area? 3,600. So you know how to do. What is the, see, 1 square feet cost how much? 500 rupees. Next, 3,600 square feet cost how much? Directly you have to do the cross multiplication method. So 3,600 into 500, because he asking how much money will have to be paid for purchasing the plot. He want to buy the plot. So he asked the owner that for 1 square feet what is the cost. The owner said the one square feet cost 500 rupees, but the total plot is 3,600 square feet. So he want to pay total 3,600 square feet money. So 3,600 into 500. So what is the answer? 5 into 36, 180. Directly 180. So how many zeros are there? Two zeros, two zeros. So you have to add two zeros and two zeros. Total, what is the answer? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option B is the answer. Next. Next, time and work question. Eight men can complete a piece of work in 6 days. Okay, 8 men can complete a piece of work in 6 days. In how many days? 3 men will complete the same work. Okay, there is a work, and 8 men can complete a piece of that work in 6 days. He asking how many days 3 men will complete the same work. For that, we have to do the straight multiplication. See, 8 men can complete in 6 days. 3 men 3 men can complete in how many days? So straight multiplication, 8 into 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 8 into 2, how many days? 16 days. See, when the manpower is increased, days will be decreased. When the manpower is decreased, the days will be increased. So by this we can say that 16 days. Next, there are 400 students. 11th question. There are 400 students in the school. If there are 40% girls in the school, find the number of boys and girls. Okay. In a school, there are total 400 students. In that, 40% are girls. So remaining how much? 100 minus 40%, 60% are boys. Okay. So we have to find how many boys are there and how many girls are there. So this is equal to 100%. Why? Because he given in percentage. So to we take 100% means total. Total how many students? 400 students. So 100% is equal to 400 students. We want to find 40% and also 60%. What is mean by 40%? These are girls. Remaining in 100%, 40% are girls means remaining 60%. 60% are boys. So we want to find here 100% is equal to 400, because 100% means total. Total 100% means how many students are there? Total 400. That's why I am taking 100%. Which what you are given, we can find 1%. 1% value. 1% means how much? Cross multiplication. 1 by 100 into 400. Two zeros get cancelled. So 1% value is 4. So boys is equal to how many percent? Boys is equal to 60%. So we can take 60 into 4. How much? 240. boys are 240 and girls means 40%. 40 into 4. How much? 160. So there are 160 girls and 240 boys. So which option? He asked here boys first and next girls. He does not ask you girls first and boys. So you have to read the question clearly what he has asked. Which girls he asked girls first or boys first? He asked boys first. So boys number is 240. 240 means which option? There is no option. Girls means 160. Actually, these are girls and these are boys. But according to the boys and girls means none of this is the answer because he given the girls first here. Here boys. But he asked boys first and girls. So the option should be 240, comma 160. According to this question. Right? Next. The cost price of an article was 600. Cost price of an article. There is an article, it costs 600, right? The article sold for 750. I bought an article at rupees of 600 and I sold to another person at rupees of 750. So how much profit do I got? I got, see, profit is always, profit means SP selling price is always greater than cost price. So what is the SP here? 750. Cost price 600. So profit means SP minus CP. Higher value minus lower value. So what is 750 minus 600? How much? 750 minus 600 is equal to how much? 150. So what? How much profit do I got? I got 150 rupees profit. What he has asked here? Calculate the gain of last person. Gain is nothing but profit. Loss means loss. You know. So gain percentage means you know the formula. See, gain percentage. Gain percentage is equal to gain by CP into 100, right? So what is gain percentage? Gain how much? 150 rupees by cost price 600 into 100. Two zeros get cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12, 5, 30. 6 5s are 30. So how much percentage? 25 percentage profit. So what is the answer? Option D is the answer. I bought an article at rupees 600 and I sold them to another person at 750. I got the profit. How much? 150 because profit means SP minus CP. So 750 minus 600 how much? 150. He asked here gain percentage. Gain percentage is nothing but profit percentage. So gain percentage formula gain by cost price into 100. So gain 150 by 600 into 100. 0 get cancelled. We got 25%. Next, in how many years? In how many years a sum of 8,000 will amount to 9,600 at the rate of 5% per annum. See, I have 8,000 rupees, right? And in some years it will become 9,600 including interest. So what is about 9,600? 9,600 is nothing but amount. It is the returns what I got. So what is my principal here? 800, 8,000. So for this I want to calculate interest because I want to calculate how many years means time. For that we know the formula. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. So what is amount here? Next I want interest here. Interest means amount minus principal. Amount means how much? 9,000. Amount is equal to 9,600 minus 8,000. How much? 9,600 minus 8,000 is 1,600 interest. I invested 8,000 rupees and I got the interest 1,600. So total amount is 9,600. That will be the returns for me. So in how many years we have to find that? So we know the formula. Interest is equal to how much? What is the formula? P/R by 100. Next, I is equal to how much? 1600 is equal to what is P? Principal 8000. Into time we have to find. R means how much percentage? 5% by 100. Two zeros get cancelled. So we want T. So T is equal to how much? 1600 into 1 by 80 into 5 is equal to T. So 0 get cancelled, 8 ones are 8 20s are, so 5 ones are 5 fours are. So P is equal to how many years? 4 years. This is the answer. So which option? Option D is the right answer. Next. Length of a big rectangular field is 1 by 2 times of its breadth. The breadth of the field is 28 meters. Find the area of the field. For this you have to do see. We given there is a rectangular field. There is a field. It is in the form of rectangular shape. So rectangular has length and breadth. So he given a relation. What is that length? Length of a big rectangular field is 1 by 2 times. See 1 by 2 means 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 by 2 of breadth. So what you have to do? Length is equal to 3 by 2 of breadth. Right? Next. And is given the value of the breadth is how much? 28 meters. So from this we can calculate the length ratio and breadth ratio. How? See, B is in multiplication form in RHS. When I bring to LHS, it will become divisible form. So L by B is equal to 3 by 2. So what is L? L is equal to 3 parts. B is equal to 2 parts. So what he has given breadth? Breadth is equal to how many meters? 28 meters. So 2x is equal to how much? 28. Next, x is equal to how much? 28 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 14 are. So x is equal to how much? 14 meters. Now tell me what is the length? Length is 3 parts, 3x. L is equal to how much? 3x. So x is equal to how much? 14. Substitute x here. 3 into 14. How much? 42. 3 4 are 12, 1, 3 1 are 3, 40. Now what we have asked? Find the area of the field. Area of the field means it is in the form of rectangular shape. So what is the area of rectangular? Length is there. So L into so L into B. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. So L is equal to how much? 42. Breadth is equal to how much? We given 28 meters. 28. So what is the answer? 8 2 is 16, 1. 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 1, 33. Next. 2 into 42, 84. How much? 6 1 7 1 1 7 6 meter square. See, dimension should be very important. You have to keep the units correctly. Otherwise, he will give the meters also. 1176 meters also he will give in the options. If you keep the 117 meter, then it will be wrong because area always will mean square units. So always meter square is the right answer. So what is the option? Option B. Option B is the right answer. Next. Find the value of x in this equation. We given equation 35 minus 15 plus x is equal to 35. Easy. You have to find the x. If you want to find the x, you use all constant terms to RHS. Then you will get the x. So what is x here? See 35 minus 15 how much? 20. So 20 plus x is equal to 35. So x is equal to how much? Move this 20 to RHS. Then it will become minus 35 minus 20. How much? X is equal to 15. So answer is 15. Or you can directly see. This is the LHS. This is LHS. This is RHS, right? So in RHS, 35 is there. It is in positive. LHS also 35 is there, it is in positive. You can directly cancel 35, 35. And next remaining is minus 15 plus x is equal to 0. So minus 15 move to RHS, then it will become x is equal to 15. Next, which among the following is an obtuse angle? What is mean by obtuse angle? Greater than 90 and less than 180 degree. What is mean by complex angle? Sorry, complementary angle less than 90 degrees. So what is 90 degrees? Right angle. Next, what is if the angle is greater than 180 means, or greater than 180 means it is reflex angle. So which one of the following is an obtuse angle? So greater than 90 means B, less than 180 means C. So there are two options, 98 and 168. Next, 32. Side of a square room is 12 meters. Find the cost of carpeting of the floor at the rate of side of a square room. So there is a room, it is in the shape of square. What is its side? Room side is 12 meters. Find the cost of carpeting floor at the rate of 5 per square meter. So what was given in the question? There is a room, it is in the form of square shape and its side is how much? 12 meters. So for that, he asking that find the total cost of that room. But the cost of per 1 square meter cost 5 rupees. So we need to find total area. Area of a square, what is the formula? Area of a square is side into side. So what is the side here? 12. So area of square is equal to S into S. S is how much? 12. So 12 into 12. How much? 144. So 144 meter square. He given here the floor the rate of 5 per square meter. 1 square meter cost 4 rupees. How many square meters? The room contains 144 meters. So directly cost multiplication. 1 square meter, 1 meter square cost 5 rupees. Next, 144 meter square cost how much? Cross multiplication. 144 by 1 into 5. So how much? 5 4 is 20, 14 5 is 70, 720 rupees. 720 rupees. What is the option? Option A. Next. Find the value of this number. See, this is not minus. It is the symbol we given the question completed here. So 1 by 2 is nothing but mixed fraction. You have to convert it into proper fraction. So in the 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 2 plus 2 3 2 is 6 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 plus sorry not plus minus 1 by 6. No, do the LCM. These are in fraction. So what is the LCM here? 4, 3, 6. So 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So directly LCM is 6. Right? So into the root 6 how many times it will go? It will go 3 times. So 2 3 is 6. So you have to multiply 3 into in numerator. 3 into 3 plus next 3 into 2 6 means you have to multiply in numerator also. When you are multiplying in denominator, you have to multiply in numerator also. So 3 into 2 how much? 6. So 8 into 2 how much? 16. 16 plus 6. 6 into 1? 6 into 1. So 1. Directly. Here minus. So 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 16, 25. 25 minus 1, 24. 24 by 6. 6 1 is 6 4 is. So answer is 4. What is the answer? 4. Option C. Next. The cost of a dozen pen is rupees 90. Find the cost of 20 pens directly. Dozen means how much? 12. Dozen means 12. So 12 pens cost 90. Then cost of 20 pens. Direct cross multiplication. See, dozen means 12. So 12 pen cost 90 rupees. 20 pen cost how much? So price will be increased. So what you have to do? 20 by 12 into 90. How much? 3 fours are, 3 30s are, 4 ones are, 4 fives are. How much? 150. 150 rupees. So what is the answer? Option D. Next, the marks obtained by a student in 5 examinations are, see, a student given 5 examinations, he obtained 90 marks, 92, 93, 95, 90. There are 5. So find his average. We know the average means sum of observations by number of observations. So what is the observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 observations. What is the sum? See, here out of 100 he got 90. See, minus 10. Minus 10, here minus 5. Minus 10, minus 5, next minus 7, minus 8, minus 10. How much? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32 plus 8, 40. So out of 500, we got minus 40 means how much? 460. Out of 500, we got 460. So with sum of observations means 90 plus 92 plus 93 plus 95 plus 90 by how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So by adding this value we get 460. 460 by 5. 1, 5 1 the 5 9 the 45, 2. 1, 5 2 the 10. So what is the average? 92. Next. What is 15% of 500? So there is total 500. In that you have to calculate how 15% is how much. So directly 500 into 15. 15% means if you remove this percentage, denominator you have to keep the 100. So 15 by 100. How much? 100. 0 0 2 0 2 zeros cancel. 15 5 are 75 rupees. Directly. Change 40 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Next. 40 meter per second into kilometer per hour means 40 meter per second means meter per second into kilometer per hour. See, 1 kilometer is equal to how much? When you are converting km per hour to meter per second means, see, 1 kilometer is equal to how many minutes? Sorry, how many meters? 1000 meters, right? Right. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. By this we can get two zeros get cancelled. So 5 2 5s are 2 8s are. So 1 kilometer per hour when you are converting to meter per second, you have to multiply with 5 by 80. So it is reverse now. Meter per second converting to kilometer per hour means reverse. 18 by 5 into 40. How much? 5 ones are 5 8s are. 18 8s are how much? 144. 144 kilometer per hour. Option C. Next, in the given figure, AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. If angle AOC plus angle BOB is 85 degrees. So he given the sum of these two angles is 85 degrees. Find the measure of angle COD. Angle COD is how much? So if you observe the figure completely, you can see here this is total 180 degrees. Right? So already he given that this value and plus this value plus this value is equal to how much? 85 degrees. So remaining is 180, total 180 degrees, and this plus this is equal to 85. So what should we do? For getting this value, you have to subtract 180 minus these two values. Then we'll get this middle value. What is mean by middle value? Angle DO, angle COD. So angle COD means 180 minus 85. How much? 95 degrees. Option A. Next. The side of a square is 25 meters. What is the perimeter of a square? Same. there is a square and given the side, you have to find perimeter of a square. In previous class, I explained you what is meant by perimeter and what is the formula of perimeter square. What is the formula of perimeter square? Perimeter of a square is 4 into s. Why 4 into s means we have to add all the boundary lines of a square. So a square has 4 sides. So 4 into s. So 4 into what is s? S means 25. 4 into 25 how much? 100. 100 meters. Don't keep here meters square because perimeter is always in meters only. Area is always in square meters. So option A is the answer. Next, simplify this equation. He given this simplification. You have to simplify and find the answer. So what he has given for this, you have to follow the Bolomar's rule. So he given in fraction, you have to simplify. Observe clearly how I am going to simplify this problem. Now, see first we have to solve which Bolomar's means bracket. So we have to solve this inner bracket. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 how much? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So LCM is 2 1 because one is odd number and one is even number. So we have to LCM is directly we have to multiply this. 3 4 are 2 1. 2 1. So in 4 table 12 how many times it goes? It goes 3 times. So 4 into 3 how much? 12. So when you are multiplying here, you have to multiply here also. So 3 3 are 9. 9 minus 3 4 is 12. So 4. How much? 9 minus 4 5. 5 by 12. So this bracket value is 5 by 12. Right? Next. Next which one? So this is closed bracket. So in this bracket we have to solve all these numbers. Next. Bracket over. After off. Off is there? No, there is no off. Next division. So here is the division. So what is the division here? 1 by 6 divided by what is this value? Now only we calculated 5 by 12. What I said to you, if the division when you are dividing fraction by fraction, you have to reciprocal the right side fraction means 1 by 6 into 12 by 5. I showed you how it will come because 1 by 6 by 5 by 12. So it will go to numerator and it is in denominator. So I have written like this. So 6 1 ja 6 2 ja. So what is the resultant? 2 by 5. So this up to 1 by 6 we have solved the total answer is 2 by 5, right? Next. After D, DOD, M, multiplication. There is no multiplication. Next, addition. So we have to add all these terms. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. How much? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus how much? 5 by 12. What is the answer here? 1 by 6 into 9 and 5 by 12. So 12 by 5. So 6 2. So plus 2 by 5. Now we have to insert this because even number, odd number. So you have to 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. Direct LCM is 30. So in total 30 was 15 times. 15 plus 3 double 10 times. 10 plus 5 double 6 times. 6 into 2 12. So how much? 15 plus 10 25. 25 plus 12 37. 37 by 30. Now 37 by 30. Bracket we have solved the bracket. Next one remaining out of the bracket. So what is the answer? 37 by 30. Next 1 divided by 37 by 30. What I said you have to reciprocal this fraction because it has division symbol. So 1 into 30 by 37. How much? 30 by 37 is the answer. So which option? Option A. Next. Uh, See, 41 question. If 15 men can do a piece of work in 20 days, in how many days can 25 men finish the same work? 15 men, there is a work, 15 men together can do a piece of work in 20 days. So 25 men will together can do the work in how many days? So directly you have to do the straight multiplication. 15 into 20 by how much? 25. 5 is a 5 4 is a 5 1 is a 5 3 is a 3 4 is a how much? 200. Direct answer. Next, radius of the circle is 7 centimeters. Find its circumference. Circumference is nothing but perimeter. So you have to find the boundary of the circle. So what is the circumference formula? Circumference of a circle means 2 pi r. So r is given. Radius means 7. So 2 pi r means 5 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to, we know r. He given r, radius means r. 7 centimeters. 2 into 22 by 7 into r means how much? 7. So 7 7 get cancelled. 2 into 22 how much? 44 centimeters. So circumference of a circle is 44 centimeters. Area of a circle means pi r square. Circumference of a circle how much? 2 pi r. Next. Next, find the simple interest on 5,600 at the rate of 5% per annum, period of 3 years. So directly he is asking that find the interest. He given time. Time means 3 years. Rate of interest R. What is 5,600? 600. This is principal. So we know the direct formula. I is equal to P R by 100. So what is that? I is equal to I is I is equal to P how much? 5,600 into T means 3 years into R means 5 by 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. 3 5 is 15. See, 56 into 15 how much? 15 6 are 90, right? 15 6 are 90. 15 6 are 90. 15 5 are 75. Means 75 plus 9 84. 840 is the interest. Next, 44. Sum of two numbers is 630. LCM of two numbers is 630 and the HCF is 9. If one number is 90, then find out the second one. I think first problem or first or second problem we solved this same type of model, right? So what is the formula? By reading the question, you have to remember the formula. What is that? Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So he given LCM, HCF, and he given one number. You have to directly find the other number. So for that, product of two numbers means we don't know the other number. So I am taking x. X into product of two numbers means one number is x, another number is 90. Product of two numbers to 90 is equal to LCM into HCF. What is LCM? 630 into what is HCF? 9. So direct x is equal to 630 into 9 by 90. 0 0 get cancel, 9 9 can cancel. X is equal to 63. So what is the other number? 63. Option B. Next, in a school, 45 question. In a school, 75% of the students are boys. Okay. If the number of girls is 420, okay, find the number of boys in school. Directly he is asking, he given the percentage of boys and you have to fill in the number of boys. So, and he given the girls, but in this question it does not given the total number of students. For that we have to find number of boys. So 75% means here, but in a school there are 25%. What I said here on previous question, see, total means always 100%. When he is given in percentage, you have to take total is equal to 100. So in total, 75% students are boys, means girls how much? 35%, because 100% is total students. 100% means boys plus girls. In that boys plus girls, 75% are boys. Remaining 25% are girls. He given number of girls is equal to how much? 420. So 35% are girls. 35% value is how much he given? 420. Now we have to find number of boys. 75% value is how much? Cross multiplication. So directly 75 by 35 into 420. How much? See, 5 sevens are 5 15s are 7 ones are 7 60s are right. 15 6 are 900 90 900. So how many boys are there total? There are 900 boys. So there is no option here. So no option. Total number of boys is 900. If you ask total number of students means 900 plus 420 how much? 1320. So there is no option. So answer is here. Number of boys is equal to 900. Next, angles of the triangles are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Find the largest angle. So among this, which is the largest number? 3. So find that what is the 3 part value. So we know that 1 plus 2 plus sum of angles in the triangle is how many degrees? 180 degrees. So we have to add all this because these are the parts of the angles 1, 2, 3. So see, 1 plus 2 how much? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? 6 parts. So 6 parts is equal to 180 degrees. What is 180 degrees? Sum of angles in a triangle. So what is 6? He given in the angles, he given in the ratio. 6 parts is equal to 180. Next, what is our number? Find the largest angle. Among 1, 2, 3, which is the largest? 3. So 3 parts is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. So 3 by 6 into 180. How much? 6 1 are 6 30s are so 90 degrees. So largest angle is equal to 90 degrees. So which option? Option A. 47. Find the average of first 10 counting numbers. Okay, counting numbers is nothing but natural number. Natural number starts from 1. So what he has asked? First 10. So average means sum of observations by number of observations. Already he given number of observations. How many number of observations are there? There are 10. So 10. So what are the counting numbers? Natural numbers. Starts from 1 to 10. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, 6 plus, 7 plus, 8 plus, 9 plus, 10. How much? 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 7, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 5, 45, 45 plus 4, 49, 49 plus 3, 52, 52 plus 2, 54, 54 plus 1, 55. So 55 by 10 is equal to 5.5. Or directly you go through the formula. Number n, sum of average of n natural numbers formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. For this we can get how much? N means 10. So 10 into n plus 1 by 2. How much? See, 10, 11 into 5, 55. Okay. No, no. N plus 1 by 2 directly. How much n? 10. N plus 1 by 2. 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5. You can go through the formula also. N plus 1 by 2 means 5.5. Which option? Option A. Find the square root of given the mixed fraction 519 by 25. You have to find the square root. So 25 5 is a 125. 125 plus 19, 144. 144 by 25. Square root means you have to keep like this. So 144 square 12. 25 square 5. So whole square under root square get cancelled. So 12 by 5 is the answer. So which option? So here options are not there. So for 48 question there is 12 by 5 is the answer. Next 48 question sir. Here is their answers, right? See for 48 question answer 12 by 5. We given here 44 by 25. 144 by 25. But this is wrong answer because square root means 144 by 25. So he given direct 144. This is wrong. 12 by 5 is the answer. Next, 49. The radius of a wheel is 35 centimeters. How much distance will it travel in 100 revolutions? See, when you see the radius of a wheel is in the form of circle, right? So what is the, this is the center, this is the radius. What is the radius of wheel? 35 centimeters. So when you are starting from here, this is one rotation, nothing but one revolution. So for this, what you have to do? You have to find the perimeter because asking revolution means you have to find the outer boundary line. You are running, you are running through a circle, completing one circle revolution. So there are how many revolutions we travel? There are 100 revolutions in circle. So perimeter. So what is the perimeter of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 into pi r means 2 pi r. So 2 pi means 22 by 7. R means 35. 7 on the 7 5 are. So 22 into 4, 2 44 into 5. How much? 220. So one revolution, one how many revolution for one revolution it travels 220 meters, 220 centimeters. Then in 100 revolution, how many centimeters did it have? Cross multiplication. See, one revolution 220, 100 revolutions, how much? Direct cross multiplication. 100 into 220. What is the answer? 22 centimeters. So which option? Option A. Next, 50th question. Last question in maths. Extreme population is 2,65,000, in which 40% are males, 30% are females, and rest are children. Find out the number of children in the town. See, there is a town. Male, in that male, females, and children. So you given the male percentage, you given the female percentage. So we need to find the children percentage. So in terms 40% and 30% males. What I said you when he given in percentage, so we have to take total as 100 percentage. So in 100 percentage is equal to how much? 2000 value. What is the total population? 2,65,000, right? In the 40% are male means 40% male. Next 30% female. Male 30% female. So total how much? 70. So remaining how much? 100 minus 70. 30% are, these are the children. So 40% are males, 30% females, and 30% of children. What we are asking? Find out the number of children in the town. So we have to find the 30% value. So 100% is equal to 2,65,000. Next 30% value is equal to how much? For that 30 by 100 into 2,65,000. Two zeros get cancelled. So 3 into 5, 15. First, forget about zeros. First, you have to calculate the digit values, multiply. Don't go with the zeros. 3 into 5, 15. 1 carry 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1 carry 3 2 is 6 7. So how many zeros left? 1 0 and 1 0. You have to add 2 zeros here. So 79,500 children are there in the town. So which option? Option B is the right answer. Resume కూడా ఇప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ చేయాలా చిన్నగా ఒకటి చేద్దాం. Okay, hope you understood. So if you want to check once, go to the video and you'll get the complete solution, so you can check. Bye, thank you.